I am Rima Villarin, 46 years old, from Philippines. I'm working to my employer 8 years, and I start work is to take care my uncle Peter, my sir brother. He is a diabetes, and I do is to prepare the breakfast and prepare the dress if he is showering, and I help my uncle to put in and take out the prosthetic leg, and then I watering the plants, the flower, and then I prepared to cook our lunch and dinner, my serve food, and then I also ironing the uniform of my sir and also the dress of my uncle, and I follow my uncle to do grocery and to see the doctor. I I also prepare my sir things if he go to work, and if he got sick, my sir, and he's not feeling good, I also take care my sir. And after 2 years my uncle paralyzed, I also do is to change my uncle diaper if he poop, if he pass urine. I help him to transfer on the bed. If he goes shower, I push him to the commode chair, and I help him to change the dress and also the shorts. And